Let's get straight to the point. You're putting in the effort at the gym, lifting weights, doing cardio, sticking to your routine, but for some reason, you're not seeing the results you deserve. The truth is, it might not be your workouts that are holding you back. It could be the food you're eating. Yes, some common foods that seem harmless could actually be sabotaging all your hard work. And today, we're going to reveal exactly what they are. Think about this, you could be eating these foods every single day without realizing the damage they're causing to your progress. They might look healthy, they might even be marketed as fitness-friendly, but in reality, they're preventing you from reaching your full potential. Whether it's stopping your muscle growth or slowing down your fat-burning process, these foods are doing more harm than good. And if you want real, long-lasting results, you need to cut them out, fast. In the next few minutes, I'll break down 5 specific foods that are destroying your gains. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to avoid and how to make smarter choices that will maximize your progress in the gym. Let's dive into the first one. First on the list is hidden sugar. You might not realize it, but sugar is sneaking into many foods that seem healthy. One of the biggest offenders? Pre-made sauces like ketchup, barbecue sauce, and salad dressings. These products are often loaded with sugar to improve flavor, and that can add up quickly, even if you're eating small portions. Another common source of hidden sugar is healthy snacks like granola bars or protein bars. Many of these are marketed as fitness-friendly, but when you check the label, you'll find they contain high amounts of sugar disguised under names like evaporated cane juice or brown rice syrup. The problem with hidden sugar isn't just the extra calories. It's how it affects your body. Consuming sugar spikes your insulin levels, which causes your body to store more fat instead of burning it. Not only that, but sugar also increases inflammation, making it harder for your muscles to recover after a workout. This means you're not just slowing down your fat loss, you're also hindering muscle growth and repair, which are essential for getting stronger and building muscle mass. To make matters worse, these sugar-filled foods can lead to energy crashes. You've probably felt it before. After eating something sugary, you feel energized for a short time, but then suddenly, your energy levels plummet. That's because your body burns through sugar quickly, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. If you're trying to maintain a steady level of energy throughout the day, especially for your workouts, consuming hidden sugars will work against you. So, what can you do? The first step is to read labels carefully. Look for sugars hidden under different names and avoid products with added sugars as much as possible. Instead, opt for whole foods like fruits and vegetables, which contain natural sugars but also come with fiber and nutrients to balance them out. By cutting out these hidden sugars, you'll not only see better results in the gym, but you'll also feel more energetic and focused throughout the day. Next up are diet and light products. These are often marketed as healthier options, claiming to be lower in calories or fat, but don't let the labels fool you. Many of these products are actually worse for your progress than their regular counterparts. The reason? To make up for the lack of fat or sugar, manufacturers often add artificial sweeteners, preservatives, or unhealthy fillers. While these ingredients might make the product taste better, they can wreak havoc on your body, especially if you're trying to build muscle or burn fat. Artificial sweeteners, in particular, are a big problem. Studies show that these sweeteners can confuse your body's ability to regulate hunger. You might think you're saving calories, but in reality, these substitutes can increase your cravings for more sugary or processed foods. This leads to overeating, which of course, will sabotage your efforts in the gym. Plus, these sweeteners can disrupt your gut health, which plays a key role in digestion and nutrient absorption. If your body isn't absorbing nutrients properly, your muscles won't get the fuel they need to grow and recover. Another issue with diet and light products is the added chemicals and preservatives. These substances can cause inflammation in your body, making it harder to recover from workouts and see the results you're working so hard for. Inflammation also slows down your metabolism, which means burning fat becomes even more difficult. While these products promise to help you stay on track, they actually make it harder for your body to function at its best. So, what's the solution? Instead of reaching for the diet or light versions, opt for whole, unprocessed foods. If you're cutting calories, focus on portion control and choose nutrient-dense options like lean proteins, healthy fats, and vegetables. These foods will fuel your workouts and help you see real, lasting progress without the hidden downsides of diet products. Another major culprit is processed vegetable oils. Oils like soybean, corn, and sunflower oil are often marketed as heart-healthy, but in reality, they can seriously undermine your gym progress. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, which, when consumed in excess, can lead to chronic inflammation in the body. Inflammation, as we've already discussed, slows down muscle recovery and can even cause muscle breakdown. This means your workouts won't be as effective, and you'll struggle to build lean muscle. In addition to promoting inflammation, processed vegetable oils are often highly refined and loaded with harmful trans fats. Trans fats are notorious for their negative impact on your health, particularly when it comes to fat loss. They slow down your metabolism and increase your body's tendency to store fat, especially around the abdominal area. If you're working hard to burn fat and tone up, consuming these oils is counterproductive and will only make it harder to reach your goals. Another issue with these oils is that they are unstable when heated, meaning they break down into harmful compounds when used for cooking at high temperatures. These compounds can damage your cells and further slow down your progress in the gym. Even if you think you're eating a healthy, balanced meal, using processed oils to cook your food can still sabotage your results. The solution is to swap out processed vegetable oils for healthier options like olive oil, coconut oil, or avocado oil. These oils are rich in healthy fats that support muscle growth, aid in fat loss, and reduce inflammation. By making this simple switch, you'll fuel your body with the right nutrients and see better, faster results from your workouts. Refined breads and pastas are another group of foods that can sabotage your gym progress. These foods are made from refined grains, which have been stripped of most of their nutrients and fiber during processing. What's left is a product that's high in simple carbohydrates, which causes rapid spikes in blood sugar levels. When your blood sugar rises quickly, your body releases a large amount of insulin to bring it back down. This process not only promotes fat storage, but it also leads to energy crashes that leave you feeling tired and sluggish, exactly the opposite of what you need when you're trying to push yourself in the gym. In addition to causing energy swings, refined carbs lack the nutrients your body needs to repair muscles and recover after workouts. Whole grains contain fiber, vitamins, and minerals that help with digestion and fuel your body for sustained energy. By choosing refined options, you're missing out on these benefits, which means your body isn't getting the support it needs to perform well and recover efficiently. Another downside of refined breads and pastas is that they can contribute to overeating. Because they digest quickly, you often find yourself feeling hungry again shortly after eating, leading to more snacking or larger meals. This constant cycle of overeating can derail your fat loss goals and make it harder to maintain a healthy body composition, despite your efforts in the gym. The good news is that you can easily swap refined carbs for healthier alternatives. Whole grain breads, quinoa, and brown rice are all great options that provide sustained energy, better digestion, and more nutrients to fuel your workouts. Making this switch will help stabilize your blood sugar levels, reduce fat storage, and support your muscle building efforts, bringing you closer to your fitness goals. Processed dairy products are another category that can sabotage your gym progress without you even realizing it. Foods like flavored yogurts, prepackaged cheese slices, and low-fat or fat-free dairy products are often loaded with added sugars, artificial ingredients, and preservatives. These additives not only strip the food of its nutritional value but also make it harder for your body to perform at its best. The added sugars can lead to the same insulin spikes and fat storage issues we've discussed, while artificial ingredients can disrupt digestion and even lead to inflammation. One of the biggest problems with processed dairy is the sodium content. Many processed cheeses and flavored dairy products are packed with excess sodium, which can cause water retention and bloating. This can leave you feeling heavy and sluggish, not to mention it makes it harder to see the muscle definition you're working for. If you're consuming processed dairy regularly, you might notice that your muscles appear less toned, even though you're putting in the work at the gym. Another issue is the lack of healthy fats in low-fat or fat-free dairy products. While it might seem like a good idea to cut out fat, your body actually needs healthy fats to support muscle growth and hormone production. When you remove fat from dairy, it's often replaced with sugar or artificial ingredients to maintain the flavor, which works against your fitness goals. Healthy fats also help you feel fuller for longer, reducing cravings and the temptation to overeat. To avoid these pitfalls, choose whole, unprocessed dairy options whenever possible. Full-fat, plain yogurt, cottage cheese, and natural cheeses are much better options that provide the healthy fats, proteins, and nutrients your body needs to recover and build muscle. By cutting out processed dairy, you'll notice a big difference in how you feel and perform, both in and out of the gym. Now that you know the 5 foods that could be destroying your gym progress, it's time to take action. These foods may seem harmless, but they can seriously slow down your fat loss, hinder muscle growth, and even sabotage your overall energy levels. By cutting out hidden sugars, avoiding diet and light products, ditching processed vegetable oils, replacing refined carbs, and eliminating processed dairy, you'll give your body the fuel it needs to perform at its best. Remember, it's not just about what you do in the gym, it's about what you put on your plate. Make these simple changes, and you'll start to see faster, more consistent results in your workouts. If you're serious about achieving your fitness goals, now is the time to act. Let me know in the comments which of these foods you'll be cutting from your diet, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tips to help you maximize your progress.